Okay, so today I was thinking we will do a third cube and we will make two trays. First, we'll try to make the cube. So last time we did cube in two different ways. So today we will do it in like a third way. So you will need two A4 sheets.
Okay.
So
Okay.
just make a square out of one of them.
Okay. Both of them.
Yes. So yeah, basically you take six of these squares.
Oh, six of these questions?
Okay, so basically I took an A4 sheet and I basically cut this square into four smaller squares.
Oh, okay. You did that. Like how we did last time.
Yes,
So both those bigger squares I should cut into smaller squares, right?
correct. Yeah. So basically you need six such squares.
Six. One for each side.
Okay. Yeah. So we'll just take one of
Hmm.
these squares.
Hmm.
We that means first I fold it into half and then I get the double door. So I take like half of half like this and on this side.
We are not doing the same one by mistake, no? The same that we did last time because this is
No, this is a
how we
different one.
started that.
Yeah, yeah,
Huh.
yeah. This is a different one.
The double door. Okay.
So this method I found from Aravind Gupta.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I saw it in one of his books. Okay, yeah. So you have the double door.
Yes. Only one. All the six I have to make.
No, no. We'll just do it
Huh.
for one and we'll
Huh.
have to repeat it for others.
Hmm.
So let me spotlight myself so that.
Hmm.
Okay, so now what we're going to do,
Hmm.
we are going to take this corner and just make the triangle. So it should effectively make like half of the square. So like you should get a square at the top half. So you should basically get this.
Correct. Okay. Yeah.
So when you open, you will basically have this
Smaller
smaller,
triangle.
smaller triangle, right? So you
Hmm.
just fold the smaller triangle to the inside.
Okay. Yeah.
Right, okay. So what you need to do is you need to basically open it so that you make this small triangle on the inside,
Hmm.
and you fold this top half triangle like this.
Okay. Okay. And then again fold it. So it becomes like this.
Wait, I
Oh,
need
sorry.
to spotlight you so that I can see you properly. Yes, correct. So
Ah.
now just turn this upside down and do the same thing. You need to do it in the same thing so that it looks like a rhombus.
Okay.
Take the
Like
diagonal
a
corners.
kaju katli, a diamond.
Correct. Yes.
So same thing inside fold for the small triangle and the same thing, right?
Correct. Yes. The important thing is it needs to be like rotationally symmetric.
Ah. Okay. I know just leaves a little gap. This is not very happy with it. You can see mine.
No, no,
This is
it
not.
shouldn't be like that. So it should be like this. So I'll show it to you once more. Huh. So first half, you take this corner to the other side so that you get like a half rectangle, sorry, half triangle. Uh,
This is towards the cupboard fold, right? Not against the cupboard fold, no? So if the cupboard fold is like this, sorry,
wait, wait.
if the if the
I need
cupboard
to change spotlight so that I can see you yours properly.
if the cupboard fold is like this,
Huh.
then this is what I did, right?
Correct, correct. So now this has to go inside of the cupboard fold. So like
Oh,
open the door, hold the big triangle also inside, and then close the door.
and the small triangle will be outside, right?
No, no, small triangle also gets folded inside. Yes. So now what you have is how it should be.
No, but the small triangle is here, like this one.
Correct, correct. That's how it should be. Correct.
Okay, got it. The
Now
other
the
side
same thing
also
on
the
the
small
other side.
triangle. Okay, got it.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Okay, so this is what is a rotational symmetry. Perfect. This one, something like
Correct, correct.
this.
Yes. You should have it like this. You have these four pockets, right? So
Yes.
uh, so now you need six of these.
I'll.
and
Hmm.
and it should be like identical. Make sure you don't take the mirror image of this. So the same way you made this, you need six identical pieces.
Hmm.
Yeah, so you have the six parallel.
Yes.
So now what we're going to do is you just have to make this parallelogram, fold this top triangle and this bottom triangle so that you get this square and you have these two triangle flaps. Yeah, you have this parallelogram.
Huh.
You just
Yes.
you just need to fold these triangles so that there is like two triangular flaps and a square in the middle. So you should have something like this.
Oh, okay.
This you need to do for all the six parallelograms you will.
But this is in the other direction, not in the direction of the fold, right?
Correct. So your fold, this pocket should be outside.
Hmm. Yeah, done. Done for all six. Now I think we have to just put them inside flaps, right?
Correct, correct. Yes. So yeah, this pointy triangle should go inside the pocket.
Pointy triangle should go inside the.
Inside you have this flaps, right? So it's
Huh.
you can just put the triangle inside of the flap.
Show me, show me.
Right.
Huh.
So yeah, like this.
Okay.
So
Flap, I wonder. Okay.
so basically,
Okay, got it, got it.
yeah, you need to put the triangular flaps inside the square's pocket, which is on the outside, and yes, now you can build the cube.
Got it. Now, I have fitted five cubes, five sides. Okay. And the last one, it has, I mean, before I fit the last one, showing like this. See, this is the last one is still in my hand. So there are now four flaps open. One, two, three, four. Right?
No, so it should look like this. So let me spotlight myself. So if I put the triangular flaps, they should go like fit one inside the other, and like they should not
Oh,
be.
okay. Both the flaps are fitting on the other side, right?
Yes.
Okay, 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 okay. I think I was making a mistake. I was only fitting one flap, something like that. Okay, okay, got it. Yeah, so this cube is smaller in size as compared to the previous ones that we made.
Correct. Yes. So yeah, it's like to make the larger cube, we can just like take the whole A4 paper only. But yeah, like at least for demonstration, I thought we'll take a smaller.
A4 paper, मतलब one square of the A4 paper.
Correct. Yes.
हाँ, हाँ, yeah.
So here, this basically would be because you are taking a small piece of paper and you are folding it many times. The parallelograms that we made would be like a little thick and kind of unwieldy. With a larger sheet of paper, this will look a lot neater. And yeah, this will like fit a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
Again, so it's like ideally all of those sides should be like a perfect square. So it should, even if you shake it, it shouldn't come off. There should be like enough friction holding it together.
Yes.
Yeah, like I really think there are like many ways of making the cube.
Paper
Uh,
cube.
yeah, but I think like three ways are good enough.
Yeah.
So we will go on to make a paper tray from sheet of paper.
Tray.
So again, this also I learned from BSS Shastri. Again, same thing. Fold it into half and do the double cup, double.
We are not supposed to make the cube square, no?
No, here we start with the A4 sheet. No square.
Okay. Lengthwise, we make a double fold. Cupboard fold.
Yeah, yeah. So like this, fold it into half and make the double.
Okay.
So once you have this double door, just open this door into half and like make another half fold. So basically you are like making the door again into half.
Half of half. Okay.
So you should basically have this. You had the double door and you're
Make a proper crease, right?
yes, yes. And you are making half of it. So I have the double door and I opened it half and make the crease. I'll close back the door so that I have this proper half. So now here, take this corner and fold it so that it comes to this triangle just comes to that middle crease.
Okay.
Middle crease of the door. Huh. So just I'm taking this corner and I'm not folding it all the way, just till this half loop. This I will do for the four corners. So,
This is a folded corner, right? You mean when like
correct,
this folded corner, right?
correct, yes,
Okay. All the four corners, huh?
yes. So you should have something like this.
Hmm.
Ah, right. Now open the door halfway, just like you did earlier. So just open the drawers only halfway.
Over the folded triangles.
Yes. So it should look like this on the front side, and on the back side it should look like this. Basically, the corners are folded inside. If you just pull this half door, uh, yeah, let me just show what I mean. So if I pull this half door, the end of the paper will start to fold in. So now
Correct.
you just fold it in and make this crease, and you will get the trick. So let me finish it and show you what I mean. So as you basically pull this half door, this will start to fold. So now
Hmm.
just fold it enough so that it comes to the edge and uh, yeah. Once it bends forward, you just make the crease so that it forms a tray. And over here, make this corner like a firm crease so that the tray will be stable, so that you have a corner like this.
Yeah, got it.
So this you do it for both the ends of the sheet and you will have a tray. So as I pull this, the end comes to fold inside. I just make the crease up. And this corner, I'll make sure that this corner fold is little firm so that I get a proper effect.
Yeah.
So yes, you should have a tray like this.
So this is not a square, right? It is rectangular only.
Correct. It will not be a square. Uh, yeah, the corners you need to crease it so that it's a little firm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Right. So that's all. I mean, this is the tray. Now, I mean, now we have to do some math around it.
Yes.
So I will just ask questions like what will be the volume of this tray, surface area of this tray, and things like that. So this is like a proper exercise in like finding the volume, and often like the size will be some decimal numbers. So it's like multiplication of
But
decimal.
is it about measurement of the size, or is it about knowing it since you know the A4 size? That is the question.
That would be like an advanced question. For younger kids, I'll just ask them to measure like with the scale and find the volume regularly. For like maybe say class 10 or class 11 student, it would be like, yeah. So now we started with an A4 and we got this tray. Suppose you start with an arbitrary L by M, sorry, L by B, what would be the dimensions of this? It is actually doable. It is, yeah, it's a high school level question.
Hmm. Nice. Okay.
Okay, so now as a kind of practice, we'll do it again. But now what we will do, we will fold this way along the longer leg.
Okay. A new setup, a new paper, right?
Yes, we'll make the tray with the same process, but we will start with the other dimension. So we will take the half. So I'm getting the
Uh-huh.
dimension. I folded it into like the middle line so that I have this double door. Then I open this door halfway. So I have the half door, close it back, and I just fold the corner.
Okay, we are making the same thing, huh?
Yes. So this will give you a long, shallow tray. Correct. So now you should have these two trays, which will hold more sand.
What is the width and length again of an A4 size paper? 21 inches, right? 21
21
centimeters.
and 29.7, 29.7 or 29.8.
55, 55 centimeters, isn't it? 5.75 centimeters in one case. Half of half of half. Correct?
Uh, no.
21
what are the,
centimeter is the width, right? You said
yes,
21 ka half is 11.5. No,
10.5.
10.5. Oh, okay, okay, right. 10.5, right. Sorry, I made a mistake. So then also I did correct. 5.75. 5.75, no? No, 5.25.
Okay, 5.25. Like, which of the dimensions are you saying is 5.25?
The width. The height. Isn't the
But
height 5 points?
no, you can measure and check. This will not be 5.2.
It is not looking like 5.5. No, I know. I don't need to measure. All I'm saying is, didn't we do half of half of half is what I'm thinking. This middle, from this middle point till the end of the paper here
Yes,
is half, right? 10.5.
correct. Yes.
Correct. This from the median line, from the median line till the end of the box.
Correct.
Huh? And from the end of the box till the end of the paper. End of the paper is another half.
Yes.
Right?
Huh.
And that has got just two parts. Height should be half of 10.5, isn't it?
Correct. So this would be 10.5. This width.
Oh.
It will actually be half of 5.5. No. You just need to include one more factor of half.
Oh, okay. This is not correct. Half of 5.25. You're correct. Half of half of half.
The first one will have more volume.
Sorry?
I'm finding that the first one will have more volume.
So here also, basically, you are now in a position to tell what will be the dimensions of this tray.
Yeah. So I did it in terms of root 2 and 1. So,
okay, so when I typically take a session, I make it like an exercise into like just measurement, also averages. So almost always this length and this length will not be the same because we will not be able to do it like very perfectly. So this will be off by like 5 millimeters or so. So then we have an exercise on how to determine the length and the breadth. How will you take the average and etc. And yes, so then it's also like a proper exercise on just finding the volume. Also like an exercise on like decimal multiplication. So this volume, I don't know, it will come to some 700 or something. 700 cc or something. This will come to some 650 cc or something. So yeah, you should be able to say which will have more volume. And yeah, then you'll have variations of it. So which will require more time to paint.
That is because of the surface area.
Yes. So, for example, students will always say both will have the same surface area because we started with the same A4 sheet.
Okay, we are hiding away less in the second tray, so it would have more surface area.
Again, that is also not obvious to see because, for example, this is longer. So you don't know how this extra length is going to contribute to the area and the volume. So it is shallower, but it's also longer. So which trade-off is going to affect more?
Correct.
We did it in a standard way so that this height comes to basically 1/8 of the length that we start with.
1/8, yes.
But it doesn't always have to be the same. So I mean, we are doing the cupboard fold for the sake of like uniformity and kind of symmetry, you could say. But you can make that height also variable. So this height need not be fixed. So then the question would be like, what would be the maximum volume tray you can make, right? So what I did in one of the sessions was I just made this tray and just like gave it to a group of students, and they were free to do anything with this, but then they have to make an identical tray.
They were, free to open it and.
Yes. So an interesting thing happened is like a couple of students came up with their own method of making the tray.
Same dimensions.
Not same dimensions, but similar dimensions. In fact, like almost same only I think, but not this way of folding. They got different folds, but they still got the same dimensions for a tray. So basically, like I got like a different method also. So I'll just
Yeah.
like show you this one tray with handles, and we will stop for today.
Okay. Yeah.
So again,
How many paper? We'll need one paper only, no?
we'll need one A4 sheet.
Hmm.
So we will fold it half in both directions, like lengthwise and breadthwise. So fold it into half.
This is lengthwise.
Half.
Covered fold.
No, normal folding. So take this, fold it into half.
Okay.
So yeah. Once you have this half, line so that you have this. Fold it both sides, basically on the front side and again on the back side, so that you have a proper deep crease.
On the same crease, right?
Ah.
No.
So now what we are going to do, we're going to make this triangle part on the inside. So basically just take this triangle and push it on the inside.
Push it on the inside. Can you again show it from the other side?
Yeah. So
Oh, like that. Okay.
so basically you have this which you have folded on both sides. So now what I'll do, I'll just make sure that this fold goes to the inside. Right. And I'll do it on
Both of them?
yes.
Both of them, right?
Yeah. Here, what I will do is, I will take this flap and bring it to the middle, like this,
Right.
and bring this side also to the middle.
Correct. Like this.
And I should be able to lift this flap and make it like this. So let me repeat. You fold this into half to the middle, this into half to the middle, and you just lift up this rectangle. Same thing we will do on the other side. So bring this flap halfway to the middle, this flap halfway to the middle, and lift up this rectangle. Once you have this, yeah, basically once you have this, you should be able to open this part. This part opens to give you a trick.
It was very interesting how the square opened up. For a minute there, I thought the base of the tray is going to be oblique, but then it turned out to be parallel to the edges of the paper.
Yeah, done.
So yes, you should be able to get this tray with two handles, so, like this.
Yes.
Got it.
So I learned this from a student of class 6 from a different school.
Nice.
So again, here we can just like leave it at origami, but we have to do math. So yeah, find the area and perimeter and volume.
Well, folding is not exactly half of half or something like that. It's lesser than that, somewhat. What I think.
No, so this height should turn out to be quarter of 21. So this will be like 5.25.
This is 10.5.
Yeah, so
The base.
yes, I think the base is also a square.
The base is a square. 10.5 by 10.5 will be the base.
Yeah.
And height is 5.25. Cool. Half is the base and one quarter is the height.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you so much, Ashwin.